Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Conditioner 6.7 ounces. Botanical Repair Strengthening Conditioner conditions and instantly detangles to help prevent breakage, strengthens and repairs with the power of plants, builds bonds to improve hair strength. Lightly conditions for everyday use without weighing hair down, leaves hair soft, smooth and shiny for all hair types and textures. 98% naturally derived, safe for color treated and chemically processed hair. Ingredients: water, Aqua, Cetearyl alcohol, Propanediol, Behenyl, Octyldodecyl, Propanediol citrate, Crosspolymer, Behentrimonium chloride, Persea Gratissima, Avocado, oil, Plukenetia Volubilis, Sacha, Inchi, seed oil, Camellia oleifera, green tea, seed oil, Helianthus, Annuus, sunflower, seed oil, Tocopherol, lactic acid, Stearamidopropyl, Dimethylamine, Heptyl, Undecylenate, Hydroxypropylammonium, gluconate, hydroxypropylgluconamide, Bis-Ethyl, isostearamidopropyl, isostearamide, benzyl alcohol, fragrance, parfum, linalool, hydroxycitronellyl, limonene, tartaric acid, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate, phenoxyethanol. Directions: use following botanical repair strengthening shampoo. Massage into wet hair, rinse well. Top reviews from the United States. Worth the money. Used this when traveling with my daughter-in-law, then had to order some for myself. The shampoo and conditioner makes my superfine hair feel so healthy and strong. A dot does a lot, so it goes a long way.